Alright, to get started, I just added some video footage to my timeline that I'd like to record over. Before we begin, make sure you have an empty audio track to use for your recording. If you need an extra one, just right-click on any of your audio tracks and select Add Track. Alright, and there inserted an extra audio track. Okay, now to record audio, you'll need this little microphone next to the track you'd like to record on. So if you're missing it, just right-click your audio track and select Customize in the pop-up. Simply drag the microphone onto your audio track. Next, let's position the playhead to where we want to start recording. Okay, now let's click the microphone to start a recording. You'll see a countdown timer in the program window and then Premiere. We'll start recording from your microphone. To stop your recording, either click the microphone button again or simply press the spacebar on your keyboard. Okay, and their Premiere created a new audio clip with my recording. If your microphone isn't recording for some reason, click the audio track and click voiceover record settings. In here, set the source and the input to your microphone, which should fix any problems. Another useful thing you can do is turn off the recording pre-roll. If you don't like the countdown, you can also click the blue number and change it if you want a different duration for the pre-roll. Okay, and now when I record again, I have a 2-second pre-roll instead of a 3-second. Alright, that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.